good morning. It's NCUB season and we are going to go back to Rojas City. So compared to other people who are rushing and going back to their province, I am on my way going out of Iloilo. So I have all my bio here in the car para sa isang buwan. And there's my mother and the bata preparing the car. This will be my first time to drive alone from Iloilo to Capiz. Please do pray for me. I know I could survive because this is already my third time to have a long drive. But the past two times I got my mother with me, my car washer. And there's the bata. What will you say? Because will you miss me for a month? Oh, you will miss me. And no, I see you on April. Yes, you say bye-bye na to all your friends because they won't see you for a month. Bye-bye, sis! My messy bag. Of course, my legendary hat. My tripod just in case we'll be having my ninja. And the ninja. In case we'll be having a shoot.
I have this one.
What's that? Wow, sarap! Because you just graduated. Congratulations! And we got the mask from the mask Nanay. Okay.
It's mine.
And of course, my latest microphone. And you've got to have a product review
Hello.
of the kombucha matcha from VIP. So there you go, our gimbal and our camera. Of course, we can't have our shoot, our film without this one. Camera, and we have our syringe. We have our medicine since chicken pox season, and there's our thermometer.
Again.
What's that? And we have here a new milk with collagen from New Zealand. And the dog, but I won't bring that. And another dog. And the real dogs. Before I say goodbye, I got to say goodbye with the real dogs. Bye-bye, Stalker! Star! And Giboy! And who else? No, Piping! Come here, Piping! And Titel! Titel, come here, Titel! Titel! Come on, Titel! Come on, Titel! Come on. Come on, Titel! Bye-bye, Piping! Bye-bye, Piping! And Aw-Aw! Where's Aw-Aw? Aw-Aw, where are you? Aw-Aw? Ow! 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 Where are you?
Aw-Aw!
Si Aw-Aw. Oh!
Where are you all?
Aw-Aw, I didn't want to go. Bye-bye. Aw-Aw! No! Rose! Just say bye-bye, bye! Bye-bye, Kiboy! Bye-bye, Dokor! Bye-bye, Pipi! And, ay, nagawin sa buwan na naman yung Aw-Aw! Bye-bye, Aw-Aw! Bye-bye! This is Iloilo City currently.
Wow!
March 15, 2020. It's a Sunday, and it's the announcement of the boundary close down, lockdown, community quarantine of Iloilo province.
Yummy.
As you can see, it looks like business as usual. No. Currently, it's 12:30 in the noontime. That's why wala masyadong tao. Pero, mas kakaunti yung cars around. we will be passing by the shortcut going to the city proper. This is the diversion road. We will be turning left. Going to San Agustin Bridge. Wala, patay ng mga sunflower. Aww. Esplanade 3 and Esplanade 4, and here we go, the latest mural here in Iloilo City presenting. Dun, 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 dun. Here, going left, and on the left side is the University of San Agustin. We'll be turning right for we are going to the city proper. Now we have to look for a place where we could park or make hazard our car. We'll just wait for Nanay while she shops her vegetables in here. Just spotted our mother. Ay, hindi na siya. Nakita ko nanay ko di kanina. Where is she gone? Found her! Yay! Ay, damo ko tagamit. All my stuff there.
Makata ko.
So?
Kalabasa.
Where?
That's our grandmother. Eating from the Julie Momo.
Yay! Thank you kay Manong! Buligan niya si Mother. Kaya nga bata ni Mother, wala ga bulig. Yay! Thank you, Manong! Yay! Is that the last batch or may ara pa? Wala na. Okay, so let me end this vlog with to say bye-bye to you everyone. Let us all practice social, ano? Social mogo-mogo. Alright guys, I thought it's a goodbye, but now it's my turn to buy some toothpaste and water. And nandun lang thy mother sa car, and I'll just be the one in charge of buying it. See you inside. I don't know where the... Ano, ginapit ang toothpaste man. Thank you. Here. There. Okay, we're done. Okay, guys, for our round 2, we are here at Bianching Imperial Hotel, approaching another strip of mural paintings. did our street vendors go? And here are the sidewalk vendors that was cleared last time.
Wow, beautiful.
Yes.
Wow, beautiful. Beautiful.
Yes, we now
Beautiful plants.
have. Tama na, that's the end of our Esplanade. It's not done. I still have not gone there before. In front of me, you could see the beautiful belfry of Harrow Church. Oh, diba? Maganda sana yung shot na ito, lalo na pag walang mga electrical wires. And we're turning right because we will be going. There's an old house again. And here we have the Harrow Evangelical Church. Of course, we got a playground with our dinosaurs. Nakakatuwa talaga. Kasi ang ganda ng aking nanay na nag-e-exercise ng kanyang mga balikat. Our school. Dun, 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 dun. Yes, we are now on our third installment of our tour during NCAV season. And now, wala pong tao on our diversion road. I mean, meron namang tao, but just a little one. There, we only have one car in front of us, and at the back, meron 3 cars. And this is the road if we go back in our back and back. That's going to the Iloilo International Airport, and in front of us, this road will lead us to SM City, Iloilo. But we will not be going at SM City because we will be going to Villa, Barangay Kalumpang to get some masks. Yes, you're very good and very right. We'll put there at the back. Because where shall we bring the masks?
Inday.
Yes, we shall bring the masks to our Inday, who might be one of the frontliners soon if our NCAV cases will be many. So something's calling on me. Calling. Can you... Let's take a break. So I'll see you later because I have to answer the call. Make sure na if you answer your call and while you're driving, get your cars at the side of the road. Drive safely, everyone, and stay safe. Now we're turning right, going to Mega World, Iloilo. We got Carlos Big Shop on our right, and on our left here we have, after the bridge, there you can see the, ano ninis? Balay.
Gamay.
Yes, for your
Balay
seafood
Gamay.
cravings. Here's Balay Gamay restaurant. And we are now getting inside Mega World Mandurriao. This is the old airport.
If I were a butterfly, I thank you, Lord, for giving my wings. And if I were a robin in the tree, I wiggle my tail and wiggle wiggly. And I just thank you, Father, for making me. 'Cause you gave me a heart and you gave me a smile. You gave me Jesus and make me your child. And I just thank you, Father, for making me. If I were the elephant, I thank you, Lord, for raising my child. If I were a kangaroo, I just hop right up to you. And if I were the octopus, I thank you, Lord, for my good looks. 'Cause you gave me a heart and you gave me a smile. You gave me Jesus and made me your child. And I just thank you, Lord, for making me. If I were the wiggly worm, I thank you, Lord, for I can swim. And if I were the crocodile, I thank you, Lord, for my big smile. And if I were the fuzzy bear, I thank you, Lord, for my fuzzy hair. And I just thank you, Father, for making me. 'Cause you gave me a heart and you gave me a smile. You gave me Jesus and you make me your child. And I just thank you, Father, for making me.
Yay! What a wonderful song for our Sunday afternoon. Time check, it's 3:20 p.m. and we are now going out of the Mega World Iloilo Business Park. And this is the intersection. If you turn right, that's going to Mandurrial District. If you turn left, we are going to Molo District. And since we are going to Villa, we will be turning left right now. Yes, dropping by Festive Mall so that we won't fall asleep mamaya sa ating long travel. And there's Manang. Thank you, Belgian Waffle. Yay! Hello guys! Currently it's 5:18 in the afternoon and I'm on my way to Rahay City. So wish me all the best! See you! Ilang beses ba dapat kailangan magpaalam para magpaalam talaga sa inyong lahat? Yes, nandito tayo sa Caltex para ready tayo sa ating long travel. And there's Manu who's gonna help us today. Hi Manong! Wave! And here's my change, thank you. And Manu will also help me in my tires. Let's go Manong! We are now on our way out of Iloilo City. And once again, wish me all the best. Currently, time check, it's 5 p.m. and 40 minutes. So that's about 5:45 p.m. 6 p.m. And it would take 3 hours for us to go to Raha City. So that's plus 3 hours. We will be reaching Raha City Capiz by 9 p.m. Alright. I hope I won't be groggy later and fall asleep because this would be a long way for all of us. But don't you worry, I won't be talking to you for the whole 3 hours since earlier we have 3 installments of our city tour. So I'll just be guiding you out of the city. And yeah, we're already outside the city. Yeah, we are already outside Iloilo City. So it's a bye-bye Iloilo City. And I'll be back later if we say also bye-bye to Iloilo Province. But it's not a total bye-bye because we will be back here by April after the community quarantine. So I wish you all the best also. Let's see how our circumferential road looks now. We'll be having 1 more minute waiting for our turn. And you see, it's about sunset time. And sunset over this portion of Iloilo, you'll be seeing it. And there is also a place where most of the travelers buy buko juice, and the buko juice is so yummy and milky and creamy, and I just don't think that I got to drop by there because you know we are running out of time. So I'll just let you know if we are near the buko juice. There you go. Can you see the sunset? There, it's so sunny. It's so masakit to the mata, and the sun is so big. It's really big. Yes, I'm currently running 40 kilometers per hour, and that's actually my maximum speed when I go drive at the diversion road. So pardon your turtle driver. Yeah, that's the sun. That's the sun here in Iloilo. How wonderful is the day today, even though most of us would be sad leaving our provinces or leaving our workplace. So this is what I call the buko place. There, my buko products. Ang daming tao, ang daming buko juice, and there. Okay, I leave you back again to the sunset. Pasig, and we are approaching the city mall. Currently it's 7 p.m. and we are running at 30 kilometers per hour. Earlier I'm driving at the rate of 60 kilometers per hour. And now there you can see it's a city mall on my right. And this is the last province in Iloilo before we enter the province of Capiz. We were actually scheduled for a shoot. That's why, as you could see earlier, I had all my shooting, my film equipment on board with me. Wow, diba? Social pa kung maka-on board. And yeah, I don't know now because my actor and the place that I plan to shoot is in Iloilo. Now it's either I'll have my story and look for another location or look for somebody and make a new story about him or about her. I still don't have plans for now, but at the moment I'm talking to you. Please stay with me. This would be my time to talk to you so that I won't fall asleep. Yes po. Thank you very much for staying with me. We are nearly an hour in this vlog, and I'm still hoping that you are enjoying our vlog session for today. wherein, yeah, kumonti na yung houses. So, don't know, I'm not sure where this portion is now. And, well, I think this is still Pasig. I know an establishment that I'm sure that it's Dumaraw already. But we have not been there. Boo! Diba? I always want to have a motorcycle, but my mother don't want me to buy one for myself. One time, we went to Dumaguete and I intentionally went to the shop which makes motorcycle. I'm looking for an e-bike because my license won't allow me to. He moved to the left side of the road. I don't know if he will let me go overtake him. Why don't you want me to follow you? Drive safely. Okay. I will be leaving you now. Bye bye, truck. Thank you for joining me in this vlog. Okay, now we're back. Yeah, I want to have a tricycle, but my mother won't allow me to buy one. So, I don't have a tricycle. Motorbike, I mean. Yeah. What will I do with it? It's just my dream. It's my dream to own one. So most of the time we have dreams that even though it's not a necessity, we just want to have it, but of course we should remember to be practical all the time. So if it's not really a totally need, so better not buy it. I was convinced not to buy, but of course every time I see a motorcycle, I still dream of having one for myself. It's not actually a motorcycle. I want a scooter. Okay, a scooter, an e-scooter. That's what I saw in Dumaguete, and I took a picture with me riding on it, and I said, oh, my dream vehicle. Yay, I'm back, and I just passed by the Arc, and we are here at Rojas City, the seafood capital city of the Philippines. And time check, it's 8 in the evening. Look at that. We just entered the city at 8 p.m. But still, we are here at the boundary of the city. Not yet at the proper. And thanks to the car in front of me, after you lost me earlier, there's this car who overtake over me, and good thing I was able to catch up on the car. He was driving around 80 kilometers per hour earlier. Then I actually lost him at Dumaraw because I stopped over. I was about to take my camera and tell you guys we are now here at the Dumaraw, but then I forgot where did I place my battery because I took the battery out earlier when we were in Pasig, because of course our video only runs for 20 minutes. When it cut, I took the battery out and I was planning to have it back when we reached the boundary, but I lost my navigation skills that time. So when I knew it, like, oh man, we are now here in Dumaraw Public Market. So I stopped over, I parked the car, I took out the camera, and then oops, I texted my mother, I'm already in Dumaraw. So of course I do update her all the time. So I'm now here in Dumaraw, and then I just lost the car. So I decided to not take footage advantage of my trip from tomorrow, getting inside here at Waha City, so I could catch up for the car. So yeah, I was driving at around 100 kilometers per hour earlier. Then I was able to catch up with the car. Then I lost it again at Ibisan because at Sigma pala. Sigma because I updated my mother with yeah, I'm already in Sigma so that she won't be worried about me. Then there you go, I lost the car again. I drove at 80 to 100 kilometers per hour and I catch it here na at Ibisan. And here at Ibisan, I have this car in front of me again as a guide so I could reach the Rojas City, the sister's capital city of the Philippines.
Ayaw kayo nakahapit kamo sa akong nga channel. Kung bago pa lang kamo diri, pindot ang subscribe button, pati ka ang nagganay, kag hindi pagkalimdin. Rubeinspired!